Assalamualaikum. A warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel, Med and Services. Today I have chosen a topic for you which I had left behind in my previous video. And the topic is the production of X-rays. Steps of X-ray production. First we have high voltage potential is applied between cathode and anode. It is first step. You should remember it. High voltage potential is applied between cathode and anode. It is first step. Now what is second step? As the high voltage potential is applied between cathode and anode, it results in the from cathode towards anode. Now, when the increasing speed of electrons, there is kinetic energy of electrons towards focal spot of anode, it results in sudden stopping of electrons at the focal spot. And here, what happens? The kinetic energy of electrons is converted into the X-ray photons by two mechanisms, which we have to discuss. First is Bremsstrahlung radiation, and second is characteristic radiation. Now we have to discuss these two mechanisms with you. Bremsstrahlung radiation. It is also known as white radiation. White radiation. And when does it produce? It is produced when high energy electrons hit the nucleus. It is the nucleus of atom. When high energy electron, it is our bombarding electron, when it hit the nucleus of target atom, it gets converted, the whole energy of the kinetic energy of the electron gets converted into the X-ray photon. X-ray photon. And the energy of this X-ray photon is equal to the energy of the bombarding electron. Energy of this photon will be equal to energy of the bombarding electron. Now, in most of the cases, we have another. This is one first situation here. When the electron hits the nucleus of the target atom, then what happens? The whole kinetic energy of this electron will be converted into X-ray photon. This X-ray photon here will be of maximum energy, as the whole kinetic energy of this electron is converted into the X-ray photon with equal energy. Second situation here is, as most of the electrons pass just near the nucleus. And most of the electrons pass just near the nucleus. For example, we have bombarding electrons. It passes just near the nucleus. It does not hit the nucleus, but it just passes near the nucleus. What happens here? As the negative charge of electron gets attracted by the positive charge of the nucleus, here the kinetic, it loses some of its kinetic energy due to electrostatic attraction of nucleus. So what happens? The electron, bombarding electron, is deflected. It is first deflected and decelerated. Due to electrostatic force. Then what happens? As it is decelerated and deflected, it loses some of its kinetic energy. It loses some of its energy due to this attraction, and this energy emitted as a result of low energy photon. Low energy photon. This is all about the Bremsstrahlung radiation. Now we have to discuss about characteristic radiation. Talking about characteristic radiation. Here we have a bombarding electron. That is the electron which is emitted from cathode, as you already know it. We name it bombarding electron. When this bombarding electron, it has a high energy, it hits the target atom. What it will cause? It will eject the electron from the inner orbit. This electron from inner orbit is ejected by this bombarding electron. What happens there? When this electron is emitted from the inner orbit, here a vacancy is created. So in order to fill this vacancy, an electron from outer orbit comes to fill it. So in order to fill this vacancy by the electron of outer orbit, it has to lose some energy. This energy will be equal to difference between two energy levels between two orbitals, and this energy is emitted in the form of X radiations. And the characteristic radiation, it is only a minor source of energy. It is a minor source of X radiation which is emitted from X-ray tube. So it was all about characteristic radiation, and we have already discussed Bremsstrahlung radiation. Actually, these two mechanisms which I have left it behind in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous lecture, then you should check it out. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.